A black outline punctuates the sky, and it's you on my mind, only you. A conversation that started and ended, a possibility of you here next to me, a reality as stark as the blue above the clouds. Patiently, I wait for whispers from you, craving signs that perhaps you are wishing for blue skies too. And I don't have to be alone, like that bird flying high, unaware of the heights that we can summit together. Unsaid words fill my bed, and needs. A need to know if hands can meet, if the forever that lives in knowing glares could lead. You are the cloud, the sky, the fear, this loneliness. I am the solitary body in this bed, looking at the sky and thinking of you.